happens with that if there's any changes. The next city council meeting should be an interesting one.
That's definitely going to be a hot topic. People are really taking that seriously.
Well, Carson Meredith joining us now, and something else or something more positive, I should say, this morning is this afternoon. Could be a pretty nice one.
For one day only, guys.
One day only.
One day only.
Tell us more.
It's like a sale. We're heading for the 50s this afternoon, and then once we get towards Friday and especially by Saturday, we're back to those bitterly cold temperatures once again. Outside right now, it is cold. 24 here in Huntsville, 24 in the Shoals. A little bit warmer in Guntersville where it's 30 degrees right now. 22 in Decatur. A nice sunrise underway to get your Thursday started. But I do expect those clouds to continue to filter in, especially past lunchtime today. But those winds have switched directions. Now they're coming out of the south and southwest this morning. So that's going to bump up those highs quite a bit today. Heading for the mid-50s, which is exactly where we should be this time of year when you consider those average temperatures for late January. But again, once we get towards Friday and Saturday, we'll start to cool back down in a big way. On the way, 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. It is a dry picture where we will stay quiet today with those clouds starting to move in again this afternoon. Here's the reason why. Let's zoom things out just a little bit. It looks like there's a lot of snow in parts of Missouri and Arkansas this morning, but we haven't seen many snowfall reports. Why? Because our atmosphere is so dry as you get closer to the ground. So any snowflakes that might be falling out of the sky, they're pretty much evaporating before they get to the ground. So we're not going to see any snow today. The heaviest snow chance will be well off to our north across parts of Kentucky and Indiana throughout the day. But that cloud cover will start to filter in as the day goes on. You'll see that pretty well here on future radar. It's a filtered sunshine kind of day, a mix of sun and clouds, very pleasant temperatures in the mid-50s. And then our next weather maker, it arrives really around this time tomorrow morning. Notice that narrow streak of light snow flurries by 6 o'clock Friday morning, making its way into our Tennessee counties, going through the rest of North Alabama, going through the morning hours tomorrow. The area with the best chance to see those flurries is going to be our higher elevations, so eastern Madison County, Jackson, DeKalb counties, also Lincoln and Franklin counties in Tennessee. If we do see any flurries tomorrow, they will be very brief, and we're not expecting accumulations or impacts as those flurries move through. Some of those flurries may linger close to the Georgia state line heading into Friday night and then should wind down after midnight. And as the flurries wind down, that's when we'll definitely start to notice those bitterly cold temperatures. Again, we're not expecting much in the way of accumulations, maybe a little coating on the rooftops or on the cars in far northeastern Alabama, but the road should be just fine. Now let's talk about the bitterly cold temperatures, dangerously cold wind chills, unfortunately. By 11 o'clock Friday night, it's going to be feeling more like the teens across our entire coverage area. And then when you wake up on Saturday morning, everybody will be seeing those wind chill values around 10 degrees, likely in the single digits for most of us. And where you see those pink colors in far northeastern Alabama, southern Tennessee, that's where we can see those wind chills potentially getting closer to 0. And that's where we're talking about those dangerous wind chills. So make sure you dress in layers if you're going to be out early Saturday morning and limit your time outside. When those wind chills are that low, you can get frostbite in as little as 15 minutes. And we'll have plenty of sunshine during the day on Saturday, but those highs are only in the 30s. Feeling more like the 20s on Saturday afternoon. If you're looking for more consistently warmer weather, I've got good news for you. By Sunday and Monday, we'll be back in the 50s. And as you look at the 7-day forecast, those temperatures will stay in the 50s as we kick off February next week. But that comes with a caveat for more widespread rain, especially by next Wednesday. Might have to watch the potential for heavy rain and flooding next week, but we'll keep a close eye on that system. For now, guys, just find a way to stay warm.
Okay, good.